Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One on your iOS device. So basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold at empty space, then click Edit or plus at the left top, add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now, choose the best one widget for you, let's say that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. So you can check it right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones are turned on. Now, the second option is to use an application, so just open it, and right here we have this icon. Yeah, no better percentages, but that's all what we have. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!